Women and men can view things very differently. One way that this difference becomes obvious in the workplace is how women and men view office politics. Far too often, women will avoid becoming involved with office politics at all costs because they incorrectly equate office politics with cattiness or gossip. Men, on the other hand, tend to more comfortably understand what office politics really is. When used correctly, office politics is how you establish your professional network of people in front of the scenes as well as behind the scenes that will help you get things done. Office politics is a tool, it's a communication channel, it's a professional network, it is a power structure, it's an information channel that allows you to do the work that you need to get done. It's not something you need to fear, it's something you need to learn how to leverage. Understand and use office politics.